So, what muscles do jump ropes work on? Basically all of them. In today's video, I'm going to give you a breakdown of the main muscle groups jump ropes work on, and I'm going to tell you how to target them for max muscle gain. If you're jumping, your quads, glutes, and hamstrings are helping you do that. They're strengthening your knees, hips to help you jump and control each time you land. This is good for anyone who wants to improve their strength, running prowess, or body composition. These muscles are some of the largest in the entire body. If you want to kick your glutes into overdrive, try incorporating some single leg jump exercises into your routine. While they'll have to generate double the force to power each hop, they'll also have to work overtime to keep you stable on one leg at a time. One muscle that most people that do strength training forget to hit is the calves. And this is a muscle group that the jump rope focuses on. You can even say it's the primary muscle group that jump ropes work on. Your calves are made of two muscles that are in charge of your muscles at your ankle: the gastrocnemius muscle and soleus muscle. And you definitely aren't going to jump over that rope flat-footed. So these muscle groups are very important. Plus, according to the American Council on Exercise, jumping rope also improves the elasticity of the connective tissue surrounding the calf muscles. The result being, you have more power and less of a chance of injury. To build your best calf muscles with jump rope exercises, try to land on the balls of your feet, then lower your heels all the way to the ground before going to the next push-up. As long as you're keeping proper form and you're really trying, jumping rope can help you get a bigger and stronger back and shoulder. Constantly turning the rope will actually help you get stronger shoulders. Your shoulder stabilizers control the constantly shifting weight of the rope. And yes, you'll get a better exercise with the weighted jump rope. And if you want to see all the benefits of a weighted jump rope, check out the link I have below. One of the more surprising parts of the body that the jump rope helps is your core. When you jump rope, you should engage your core to get the most out of the workout. You can almost think about jumping ropes like jumping planes. Your innermost core should be just as braced. Keeping your core in a straight line will allow the most efficient transfer of power between your lower and upper body, while also protecting your lower back from the impact forces associated with each leg. Just to let you know, if you want to target your obliques, you can try one or two moves: side to side hops, or you can learn how to do twists. Yes, you can train your arms with just a jump rope, and this goes double if you have a weighted jump rope. Jumping rope is not only a fantastic physical workout, it's also an excellent mental workout. Here are all the ways it helps you out with your mental health. The very best workouts for your brain health involve coordination, rhythm, and strategy. Since coordination, spatial awareness, and precision are required for jumping rope, that means your brain works out with you. Exercises that demand mental focus strengthens your cognitive function. Both hemispheres of your brain are active when you are jumping rope. By upping your skills through new tricks, your brain can form new neural connections. In fact, practicing every day may protect or even stimulate your memory. Jumping rope can improve blood flow in the body. A lot of time, blood flow imbalances can lead to mental health problems like stress and depression. Giving your body this exercise can help you feel better. Do you constantly feel exhausted physically and mentally? This form of workout can help prevent and improve mental and physical stamina. Overcoming the tough workouts can make you feel like you can conquer anything. Once you break through that 1 minute barrier where you can jump rope for an entire minute, you'll feel like this is easy and why haven't I been doing this entire time? And if you're doing the workout right, it'll make other workouts seem easy by comparison. A lot of people can go into depression because of weight issues. This workout will help you burn calories faster and aid in quick weight loss. This indirectly helps you with depression. Other ways jumping rope can help you with your depression and anxiety. It can release feel-good endorphins, natural cannabis like brain chemicals, and other natural brain chemicals that can enhance your sense of well-being. Jumping rope can also take your mind off your worries, so you can get away from the cycle of negative thoughts that feed depression depression and anxiety. Regular jumping rope has many psychological and emotional benefits too. It can help you gain confidence. Meeting exercise goals or challenges, even small ones, can boost your self-confidence. Getting in shape can also make you feel better about your appearance. Jumping rope can also help get you more social. Exercise and physical activity may give you the chance to meet up and socialize with others. Just exchanging a friendly smile or a greeting as you jump outside can put you in a great mood. It also gives you a healthy way to cope. Doing something positive to manage depression or anxiety is a healthy coping strategy. Trying to feel better by drinking alcohol, dwelling on how you feel, or hoping depression or anxiety will go away on its own can lead to worsening symptoms. Jumping rope can also help make you smarter. Very few sports require the coordination of all four limbs in perfect synchronicity. Not only that, jump rope is one of the only sports that is completely bilateral, meaning it has no dominant or preferred side of the body. In soccer, you strike with one foot. In darts, you throw with one hand. In boxing, you hook with one fist. This unique feature, which utilizes both hemispheres of your brain to work together, likens jump rope to playing musical instruments, which has been proven to help offset the development of dementia. You can use your jump rope to meditate. Although it's pretty intense, jumping rope can actually be a very meditative activity. At some point, I find myself in the zone when I'm jumping rope, especially when I just mastered a new trick. This helps me just zone out and the world just seems to melt away. Once you hear the rhythm and you get into your groove, you can get lost in that. Jumping rope is a form of active meditation that allows you to focus your entire attention on just a steady rhythm and nothing else. You can also play a game with it by closing your eyes and taking 30 seconds to simply listen to the sound of your rope and other sounds and sensations in your surrounding environment. Try it next time you're jumping and comment below this video letting me know how it felt for you. A exercise regimen, and yes, any exercise regimen, just makes you feel like you're doing more with your life. Do you ever feel like you don't have a purpose, like you come home from work and you have nothing to do but maybe watch TV and sink into the couch? Well, if you have an exercise regimen, especially jumping rope, you feel positive vibes. You feel like you're accomplishing something, and this is something that we all need. We need to feel like we're accomplishing something in life, and a good exercise program, especially with the jump rope, can help you out a lot. Jumping rope causes development of new motor patterns, i.e. circular arm motions and rhythmic jumping to occur. These new motor functions create communication flow in the body's central nervous system. The brain talks to the arms, wrists, and legs to complete necessary functions to carry out the exercise. By stimulating these processes, we're naturally enhancing our cognitive skills and sharpening our minds. Now, if you want to get in great mental and physical shape, you want to follow all the tips that I have in this video right here. I'm sure to help you. And as always, just start. We're about being perfect later. Peace.